Hello and welcome, dear students. In our today's common sentences, we have watch your mouth. Watch your mouth mana khabaru tadi pam kawa. You will regret it. You will regret it means tasiba khimana shay. Ya ham tasiba afsos ukri. I take full responsibility. I take full responsibility means the tool masuliyat manam. I will expose you. I will expose you means zabadi khara kam ya zabadi shakram yani means raz badwe. Don't spoil my mood. Don't spoil my mood means mood me ma kharabawa ya tabiat me ma kharabawa. Break a leg. Break a leg means good luck or kha qismat ya khabakht. Let's meet after iftar. Let's meet after iftar means raza darojamat sakha wrsta wkoro. You look great. You look great means tasi ډیر ښکلی ښکارئ. I am a good citizen. I am a good citizen means زه یو ښه اوسیدونکی یم. This is just a big waste of time. This is just a big waste of time. دا د وخت لویه ضایع ده. This is an affliction. This is an affliction means دا یو ستونزه ده، دا یو مصیبت غم ده. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever means هیڅ څیز د تل لپاره دوام نه کوي. From bad to worse. From bad to worse means labada battar. I am sick of you. I am sick of you means zalata sakha patangyam ya zalata sakha nor pastarayam. Get to the point. Get to the point means asli mawzu tarasha ya asli mawzu taraza. One way or another. One way or another means payawna yaw dawal sara. I can't stand him. I can't stand him means da sakha me nafrat ki ya haga me bad razi. This is a slander. This is a slander means dayotomat de. Well, thank you. See you again.